In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform and that your account is fully verified. In most cases, Binance will require identity verification before you can withdraw money to a bank account. Once you are logged in, go to your wallet. On the app, you can usually find this by tapping Wallets at the bottom of the screen. Then choose Funding or Fiat and Spot, depending on the version of Binance you are using. Before withdrawing to your bank, you need to make sure your money is in a fiat currency, such as dollars, euros, pounds, or your local currency. If your funds are still in crypto, you may need to sell your crypto first. To do this, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, tap Sell, and convert it into the fiat currency supported for bank withdrawals in your country. After your funds are available as fiat balance, go back to your wallet and select Withdraw. Then choose Withdraw Fiat or Bank Transfer. Now select the currency you want to withdraw. Binance will show you the available withdrawal methods for your region. These may include bank transfer, SEPA transfer, faster payments, or another local payment option. Choose the bank transfer method that works best for you. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal limit, processing time, and any fees before continuing. Binance usually displays this information clearly before you confirm the transaction. After that, select your bank account or add a new one if you have not used it before. Enter your bank details carefully, including your account name, account number, IBAN, routing number, or any other required information. The name on your bank account should usually match the name on your Binance account. Once everything looks correct, review the withdrawal details one more time, then confirm the withdrawal. Binance may ask you to complete security verification, such as entering a code sent to your email, phone number, or authenticator app. After confirmation, your withdrawal will be submitted. The money may arrive instantly, within a few hours, or after 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and withdrawal method. And that's how you withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.